all welded in. I don't have it all ground down yet, but I thought I'd give you a little walkthrough and take a look at what's been done and what's coming up. As you can see, I welded it all along in here. Of course, like in another video, you saw where I put this panel in. Now I got this one all in, welded all the way around. This panel's all welded in. This front panel here, this is all welded in. This is a store-bought panel, and this is the one I made from scratch. All right. So, with that in mind, maybe a little, this will go in like that. That piece will get welded back in there. And this piece here, long reach for an old man, will get welded back in there. Whoop. Better put it the right way. Piece will get put back in there. That'll go back in there. And that's the way it'll look when I get it all ground down. We'll have all that. Now I'll take you over on the other side and I'll show you what we're going to tear apart here pretty soon. Hang on. Alright, take this out of the way. This here's all got to come out. So I got to cut a weld off here. Got another weld here. And there should be one over here right there. I'm not going to be too concerned about this down here. It's all rotted anyway, so I'm just going to cut it right off. I'll put new on it. And then I'll have to take all these spot welds along in here, same as I did on the other side. As you can see, it's full of holes. So we'll cut right along in here, come down here probably, and we'll cut around here. Oop, got a hole there, so we'll probably cut this right off. All this bad. I'll cut that off right there, right along in here. Actually, I'm going to cut it off here. See this hole I drilled right here? Well, here's another one right here. And from here to here, underneath there's a brace. So you don't want to cut that. So you want to stay right on along this line here. Somewhere's in there. Then we'll come over here. Oops, get that out of your way. We'll cut right along in here. Then we'll cut along this line here somewheres. As you can see my hand here. It's pretty rotted up and through here also. So we'll cut all that out. Right back in here, we got another one. Bunch of holes here. And here's a hole I drilled, so right along in here's another hole. So this hole up here. And then we'll cut it there. So this will be cut like that. Then we'll trim it back as needed. So, take small pieces first. Take your small stuff first. Leave yourself something to work with. You can always trim it back. It's easier to take it off than it is to put it back on. So, we got big holes in the front here I got to take off. And here again I drilled more holes because underneath there's bracing. So you got a hole right here. Another one right here. And there's a bunch of seams. So that's up in here. That's all spot welded. I can drill them out. Because I got to replace this. And I'll probably cut it the same place. Right along in here. Right along here probably. We got a seam here someplace. Yeah. So we'll cut it like that there. Then I'll cut all this out afterwards because it's rotted in here. So then we'll cut all the way over into here. You can see the seam here. The outer ridge. There's two ridges. So we want to stay on the outside of it. Right along in here. So we'll cut it back here at first. We may end up having to take this seat bracket out here, take this bracket out. It runs the whole width of the body. We may have to do like we did the back. But it doesn't seem to be bad behind it. It seems to be in pretty good shape. So we might leave that. We'll go over and take a look at the new floor plans and see what they look like. Oh, let's see, that would be a front passenger side, I believe. Yeah. Goes this way. Yeah, that's the passenger side. Or no, that's driver's side, excuse me. So we'll be trimming it along here, right along this line here. We'll cut all that off. This will all go. Then along over here, we're going to cut that probably right along in here, and right along down along this line here. All the way across. We'll probably cut all this off. Cut all this back piece off. And we're not going to touch this, so we'll probably cut whatever we need, maybe up into here or up into here, or the center hump, till we find out what we need over there before we cut this. So, but I thought I'd show you the front piece anyways. We got the back ones, they're still in the box, but they don't have all of the back. That's another front. And then we got the other, oh, gotta set you down here. Hold on. Alright, now we can probably set you down on something flat. I had this on it. I gotta take it off. That's alright, this is the part of the back floor that you can buy. And we'll be cutting this off along in here someplace. Or we'll leave some of it. Not sure what we'll need yet. Like I said, we'll find out when we get there. This is the other floor section. That's for the floor shifter. It is a standard car. So we'll see what we got to do. But that's what we got for new metal. The rest of it, I got to make, which is no big deal. We got the equipment, so I'll do it. That's all for now. It's getting late on a Friday, so just thought I'd fill you in on what's going in and what's to come. So y'all have a good weekend, I hope. And I'll see you on Monday.